Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add a contact photo on iPhone. For this, open the phone application, then select the contact that you want to set a photo. So here I am going to select this one. Okay, so here you can see the option edit, tap on this one. Now here you can see the option add photo, tap on this one. And from here you can select any photo. If you from here you can select the photo. So if you want to set a photo from the camera that you want to take a photo, then select the option camera. So if you want to set a photo from your device, then you can select the option photo. So here I am going to select the option photos. Then choose the photo and you can adjust the photo. Okay. Now tap on done. You can see the preview. Tap on continue. Continue. Now you can see that image is set as the contact image. Right? Tap on done. You can see. Now I am going to make a call to this number. Now you can see the full screen contact is here. So simply in this way you can set the contact photo on iPhone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.